WordPress and keep hearing about Elementor. Maybe you are wondering, what is it and how do I even start with it? Well, today in this video, I'll give you a quick overview of Elementor to make you familiar with what it is, its interface, and how it makes building websites so easy. I'll try to break it down in the easiest way possible, so let's get started. So what exactly Elementor is? It's a WordPress plugin that lets you create and design your website exactly how you want by just dragging and dropping the elements. No coding, no confusing settings. And the best part, Elementor is a visual editor. That means while you are designing a website, you see it exactly how your visitor will see it. It means what you see is what you get. And that's why beginners love it. It's fast, simple, and actually fun to use. All you need to do is just open any page or post in WordPress, click Edit with Elementor, and you are ready to start designing. So now that you know what Elementor is, let's explore what's inside it. So when you open it, you will see three main areas: the editing panel, the canvas, and the top setting bar. Okay, so first on the left, we have editing panel. This is where you find all the elements to put on your page or to build your page. These elements are called widgets, and we'll dive into them in just a bit. Next, in the middle, we have the canvas. This is where you build your page. You drag the elements from the editing panel onto this space, and this is where your website will look as you make it. And at the top setting bars, you have multiple options to help you. Here you can change how your page looks with the page settings. For example, if I click on the page layout and change it to Elementor Canvas, this is how it would look. The header is gone. Then through these options, you can see how your page looks on desktop, laptops, tablets, and phones. Then you can also see a preview and make your page live by saving or publishing it. Then on the left we have first Elementor logo. And first we got a theme builder. This is a bit advanced, so I'm gonna make a separate video on this topic. Then the history, where you can undo, redo, or go back to a previous version if you make a mistake. Then you got user preferences, where you can customize how Elementor looks and works, like enabling dark mode or adjusting the panel width. Then we have keyboard shortcuts, where you find quick key combinations to speed up tasks like copying, pasting, or duplicating elements. Then exit to WordPress dashboard. So you can leave Elementor and return to your WordPress admin panel to manage your site. So after that, we have site settings. This section is for making changes across your entire site. It's super useful but a bit advanced for now, so I'll cover it in a separate video where I will show you how to use it step by step. So then we have the navigator or structure, where you can view a list of all the sections and the element on your page, which make it easier to move and edit them. Since we have not created anything here, it's empty now. Then we have the notes, where you can add comments or reminders directly inside the Elementor to keep track of changes or maybe collaborate with others. Alright, as promised, let's talk about widgets. So the widgets are the building block of your website. They add functionality to your page. The main widgets you will use is heading widget for title, text editor for description, image widget for pictures, and the button for click or call to action. So you just drag them onto your page, and then when you click on it, you can customize it on the left side in the editing panel. You can change the text style or maybe color. You know, like giving it a full makeover just the way you like. Each widget has a job, and by putting them in the right spots on your page, you make your website more fun and useful. Just drag, drop, and change them however you like. Now here's the fun part. You will be more than happy to know this. So instead of building everything from scratch, Elementor gives us a shortcut, the Elementor template library. So here you will find pre-built pages, blogs, and entire website templates that you can import in seconds. This is empty because I have not saved any template here now. So you can just pick any one of it and put it on your page. I'm here picking the ready-made page. And see, now you have a whole page ready just in seconds. And you can also customize it as per your liking. So now that we have dropped or inserted a full ready-made page, let me tell you that a web page consists of three main things: main container, widget, and sometimes or most of the time, inner container. So like first we have here the main container. These are the main building block of your page. You can identify it with the pink lines. So basically the containers are a big box or section where you put everything like widgets and other containers. It's like the frame that holds your picture. As you can see on the screen, while I scroll down, this is the main container. This is also a container, and so on. And now if you want, by right-clicking this option here, you can add a new container, and if you do not need it, you can just delete it with a click. Or if you like it, you can duplicate it as well. So much fun and ease. Next, inside this main container, we have widgets. And we have already discussed about widgets, right? Now, you can place multiple widgets inside a container. And just like containers, you can delete a widget, duplicate it, or move it around inside the container. Okay, so sometimes, or maybe most of the time if you're a pro, we need inner containers. These are like smaller boxes inside your main container. They let you put widgets next to each other or organize them better. You can also delete, duplicate, or move these inner containers, just like the others. And there you have it, your quick intro to Elementor. Now you know the basic, the interface, the widget, and the Elementor powerful template library. But trust me, we have only scratched the surface. There is so much more to explore. And guess what? In my next video, we will actually build an entire page together. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.